Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on digital and analog time. In an earlier video, students were introduced to the clock and shown time on the hour. In this video, they will see how time on the hour is represented on a digital clock. So this was time on the hour, and that's the digital format. Same here. 3 o'clock, the digital format. 4 o'clock, digital format. 5 o'clock, the digital format. You would remind students that for time on the hour on the analog clock, the minute hand or the larger hand is on the 12 and the smaller hand is on the particular number representing the hour. So there's 6 o'clock and there's the digital time. 7 o'clock, the digital time. 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock with the digital time. 10 o'clock with the digital time. 11 o'clock with the digital time. And here's 12 o'clock with the digital time. This time here, as for all the other times, like for example, this could be 12 o'clock at midnight or 12 o'clock at midday. And same with all the other times. Depending on the time of day, it could be daytime or nighttime. Some typical exercises you could give the students. Students could be given times on the hour in digital format. They are asked to represent that time in analog format by drawing the appropriate analog clock. Next possibility. Students could be given times on the hour in analog format. They are asked to represent that time in digital format by drawing the appropriate digital clock. And another interesting exercise, students could be given a list of activities such as breakfast time, lunch time, dinner time. They are then asked to draw times at which those activities could occur, using both digital and analog format. So this video has introduced students to digital time and analog time on the hour.